name's Darcy. I'm 6 years old and tomorrow I'm going on a surprise holiday with Nana and TJ. Come along with me for the ride.
So how do you think we're getting to holiday?
Driving.
Driving, yeah, for the first part. And then we're going to be getting on something that you've never been on before.
Aeroplane.
Yes. Now, where do you think we're going? What about if you do a certain dance?
Egypt?
Yes.
We're going to go on the aeroplane.
And where are we going?
Egypt! See you on the other side.
I know.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh, we go to Yellow Coast. Can I explain there? Hi, welcome aboard.
Darcy Doodles.
Choose the nearest one available. If you are seated in rows one of our cars shortly, in the meantime, can we ask that you please take a look at the safety briefing card in the seat pocket?
And then go sit down.
You have familiarised yourself with our safety details.
You're not allowed to open it and take off or land it.
Power supplies.
We're barely on
Please do take
ground.
care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. While the crew will do all that we can to make this flight an enjoyable experience to start your holiday with,
Is that alright? Come on then. Oh look, there's a birthday cake for Nanny. Look what we've got. What have we got? What have we got, babe?
The pool! And it's so big! Goes all the way.
Light on, darling. I think it's your side. What for breakfast?
Pancakes and waffles.
With what?
Syrup.
Are they yummy?
Yeah.
Darth, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go on big slides and then have some ice cream.
And why are we getting ice cream?
Because it's really hot. There's a ginormous bucket!
You going in?
Yeah. That's scary. That's scary. I'm gonna get inside of there.
Darcy, what have you been doing this morning?
Swimming.
What else?
Eating.
Come on, have you got another back walk over for us? Some star jumps over here. Looking funky fresh.
Look at me with my banana colada. Really cool one.
A really cool one.
Got a pattern. This one's kind of like rainbow. There's lots of shells. Shells.
What else?
Barnacles.
And where did you find them?
On rocks.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Excellent. Darcy Bubbles.
Hello again, guys. Welcome back to Jack's channel. We're going to the beach to have a cinema and we're going to watch Wonka. I got some money.
And what money is it?
Egyptian money.
Turn it round so everybody can see. Turn it round again. Where are you going?
Kids Club.
And what are you going to do? You looking forward to it?
Yeah. Kids Club and I've got this present. Open it with me. Got these pencils. Got a little bracelet.
Wow, look at that.
Rainbow. Chocolate. Put that in the fridge. Sweet. Put that in the fridge so it doesn't rot as well. Yeah. It's snowing! I'm doing my sunscreen so I don't get sunburn like Harry.
Find.
A twisty shell!
And where did you find it?
In the deep sea, but it's not deep. I saw a rainbow eel and an anchor.
Right, and what are we at now?
This is our
The last one.
yeah. Then after dinner, we're going to go on the aeroplane
And where are we going?
back.
And do you want to go home?
No.
You want to stay here?
Yeah, because they have pools here and I don't even have a pool at my home. Thank you for watching my video. Stay happy, stay positive. I love you so much. Now over to Jack and Ash.